Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Another very interesting and very powerful video. Today I will talk about the CPA marketing and it will be a dating CPA marketing. All right, we'll be promoting the testosterone adult CPA offers. Okay, where there is very less competition. And trust me, if you stay consistent and implement the strategy, what I'm about to share, definitely you will make a lot of leads plus you will make a lot of money. Trust me, because very few people they focus on these offers and there is zero competition. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive straight to the video. See, this is the dashboard of the Max Bounty account. All right, if you have a Max Bounty account or Crack Revenue account or Sell Health account, well and good. If you do not have, then you can promote the email submit offers from CPA Grip. Okay, so for this video, for dating offers, I have taken the example of Max Bounty because Max Bounty have a lot of dating offers. Okay, so when you click over here, the browse section, you will get a lot of dating offers. Okay, and if you can't find over here, then click on search. Okay, the left hand side, the search bar, and over here, the categories, you need to select the dating. Okay, when you select the dating in the categories, click on apply search option. You will get all the dating offers which are shown on Max Bounty C. $75 per lead. Per lead, they are providing $75, $38 per lead. Okay, $4.50 per lead is just an email submit offer, and you will be getting paid $4.50. Okay, we'll just click on this offer. All right, we'll just click on this offer. See, this is the offer, christiancafe.com. All right, this campaign does not have a daily cap. I mean, you can promote unlimited 100 leads, 20, 200 leads, 300 leads. Okay, I'll tell you the traffic also. All right, I'll tell you the traffic also. See, 4.50 per lead. Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, New Zealand, United States. Okay, you can promote this offer. ChristianCafe.com. You can also promote the this offer. This is the one dream single opt-in. Okay, offer converts on single opt-in. So these are all the offers you will find here on Max Bounty. You need to select what you are getting. I mean, what all offers you are being approved for. Okay, you can only apply to those offers which you are already approved for. Okay, I hope you got my point. So first is this one, the Max Bounty account. Second is the Crack Revenue. See, Crack Revenue, you already know this is the best affiliate network, and we will be focusing on the top offers of Crack Revenue. See, these are all the top offers on Crack Revenue. Single opt-in offers, $4.50, local dating $3.94. Okay, we'll be focusing on this single opt-in 4.50, 3.94, searching for singles $3.30 you will be getting. So always promote the high converting offer. This is the rule number one. Okay, this is the rule number one. See, if you do not have the Crack Revenue or Max Bounty account, but still you are very eager to promote the dating offer, see, there's one affiliate network which very few people knows about this, and on this platform, testosterone products works very well. Male enhancement supplement, they work very well. See, this is known as sellhealth.com. Sellhealth.com. It's an alternate of Crack Revenue. Okay, it's an alternate of Max Bounty. In fact, I would recommend to sign up on this website, Sell Health Affiliates Network. This is better than Crack Revenue. Okay, because the kind of payment you will be getting is tremendous. For just one sale, you will be getting close to $200. Okay, so these are the four offers which are converting very well. Wig RX, Testos Oil, Seminex, Gen F2. See, just focus on two which I have been promoting, and the other affiliate networks, other affiliates are promoting. The first one is Wig RX, the second is Seminex. These are the two which have been generating too many sales. Okay, just focus on these two and start promoting. All right, this is the interface of the Sell Health account. Okay, just sign up on this platform. This is one of the best platform. Now the comes the traffic. See, I have shown you the product, all the offers which you need to promote. Now how you are going to get the traffic. Okay, the traffic is the king. See, either you can go for free traffic or you can go for the paid traffic. First one is the paid traffic. Okay, just stick to the video. I'll tell you the free traffic also. Okay, this is the best platform. It is known as Juicy Ads. Okay, this is the best platform. It is known as Juicy Ads. All right, focus on this traffic source. See, they totally deal in adult traffic. All right, you can also promote email submit offers if you have a landing page in between. Okay, see, it's the award winning service, no malware, only genuine traffic. And the best part of it is a lot of people, they don't know how to run ads, how to select countries, target countries. So what this website does is you just need to shorten your affiliate link, and there are a lot of sites, they already receive a lot of traffic. So it's like a banner ads. You just tell them this is my affiliate link, just promote it on your affiliate network. Okay, you are not running campaign on anything like this. You are just telling them that your website is giving too many traffic, 1 million traffic, 2 million traffic. Just promote my affiliate link, and you will get a lot of websites here, adult website here, which have been getting a lot of traffic. Already they are getting a lot of traffic. So you will just get the offer from MaxBounty or Sell Health or Crack Revenue, and just promote your affiliate link here. You don't need to run campaign. You will just fill 3 4 lines. It's a one-page form. Okay, which traffic source you need. You just provide the, I mean, you will just provide your affiliate link and they will just promote it. Okay, you are just providing them the link, that's it. You're not doing anything, no targeting, nothing. Okay, this is the best platform for those who don't want to get into technical knowledge. Okay, they just want to run ads. Okay, so Juicy Ads is the number one platform. If you want to go for free traffic, there are two websites which you can promote the testosterone offers. First is tinder.com. This is very simple. A lot of people, they know about Tinder. Just sign up on this Tinder platform and start promoting these offers. See, these are the offers which converts very well on Tinder. Male enhancement offers, Seminex and VIGRX. These are the two offers which converts very well on Tinder. Okay, sign up on this platform. All right, just put a nice photo of a guy or a girl. All right, and just start chatting and start promoting, recommending the product. You don't have to send the affiliate link. Just interact with them and start promoting your product. Okay, definitely you will get leads, definitely. Okay, because on Tinder there are too many people who are just looking for these offers only. See, and they don't know the best male enhancement supplement. Okay, so promote these offers on Tinder. And the second is OkCupid. It's an alternate of Tinder. So you can also promote here the single opt-in